So let's move on to the next question, which is, if curves y square is equal to 4x and xy is equal to c cut at right angles, then the value of c is. So here what we are given? We are given two curves, y square is equal to 4x and xy is equal to c, and both these curves are intersecting each other at right angles. So let the point where both of these curves are intersecting each other is p x comma y. So here what we need to find? We need to find the value of c. Xy is equal to c. We need to find this value of c. So let us take the first curve, y square is equal to 4x. So you can differentiating both the sides with respect to x, you will get 2y dy by dx is equal to 4. Okay, and you can write dy by dx is equal to 4 upon 2y, that is 2 upon y. Okay, so because this is the slope of this first curve, so let dy by dx इसको हम लिख सकते हैं m1 is equal to 2 upon y. So let's take the second curve. Second curve is xy is equal to c. So you can write y is equal to c upon x. Okay, so differentiating both the side with respect to x, you will get dy by dx is equal to minus c upon x square. You can write this as minus c upon x square. Okay, so because this is the second curve, so let the slope of the second curve be m2. Okay, and we know that both the curves are intersecting each other at right angle, so we can write m1 dot m2 is equal to minus 1. So m1 is 2 upon y dot m2, that is minus c upon x square is equal to minus 1. So you can write minus 2c, or minus से minus cancel, so you can write 2c is equal to yx square. 2c is equal to yx square. Okay, or y is equal to 2c upon x square, marking this as 1. So we know that y square is equal to 4x and xy is equal to c. Okay, so you can write y is equal to c upon x. You can write from this curve, just we have written the equations of both the curves. So you can write y is equal to c upon x. So putting the value of y in this curve, you will get c upon x ka whole square is equal to 4x. So it will be c square upon x square is equal to 4x. Okay, so you can write c square is equal to 4x cube, then x cube will be c square upon 4. Okay, so x will be c square upon 4 की power 1 by 3. Okay, got it? तो हमने क्या किया, x को c की टर्म्स में कैलकुलेट कर लिया. नाउ लेट अस कैलकुलेट y इन टर्म्स ऑफ c. तो आपको पता है y क्या है आपका, पुटिंग इन दिस इक्वेशन x की वैल्यू आपने यहाँ पे पुट की, तो आपकी y की वैल्यू भी आ जाएगी c की टर्म्स में. तो y विल बी c अपॉन x. x इज c स्क्वायर अपॉन 4 की पावर 1 by 3. ओके, तो आप लिख सकते हैं इसको c की पावर c अपॉन c की पावर 2 by 3 इंटू 4 की पावर 1 by 3. ओके, तो आपका ये क्या आ जाएगा, c की पावर 1 माइनस 2 by 3 इंटू 4 की पावर 1 by 3. So you will get c की पावर 1/3 into 4 की पावर 1/3. That means y is equal to 4c. Y is equal to 4c की पावर 1/3. Okay, so we have got x in terms of c and y in terms of c. Now what we have to do, we have to substitute these two values in this equation, and then we will get the value of c. So let us put these two values. So I am erasing this. So you will get now what you have to do, you have to just substitute the values of x and y in equation 1. Okay, so this is your equation 1 which is written here. So y is equal to 2c upon x square. तो आप लिख सकते हैं यहाँ से 2c is equal to y into x square. So just substitute the value of x and y what we have got in this equation. You will get 2c is equal to y. Y is 4c की power 1/3. Okay, multiply by x square, that is c square upon 4 की power 1/3 की पावर 1/3 का स्क्वायर. तो का स्क्वायर हम लिख सकते हैं इसको 2/3. ओके, तो आप इसको लिख सकते हैं 2c इज इक्वल टू 4c की पावर 1/3 मल्टीप्लाई बाय c टू द पावर 4. ये आपका स्क्वायर अंदर आ जाएगा, और 4 स्क्वायर दैट इज 16 की पावर 1/3. ओके, तो यू कैन राइट 2c इज इक्वल टू, अब आप इसको एक साथ लिख सकते हैं 4c मल्टीप्लाई बाय c की पावर 4 अपॉन 16 की पावर 1/3. ओके, ये आपका 4 कट गया एंड यू विल गेट 2c इज इक्वल टू c टू द पावर 5 अपॉन 4 की पावर 1/3. So let us do this in the right hand side. So you will get आपको इसके बाद क्या मिलेगा यहाँ से. So what we will do now, we will take in cube on both the sides. Taking cube on both the sides, we will get, taking cube on both the sides, we get, हमें क्या मिलेगा अगर हमने क्यूबिंग करी बोथ साइड्स. तो 2c का क्यूब इज 8c क्यूब विच इज इक्वल टू c की पावर 5 अपॉन 4, क्योंकि इसका क्यूब आपका 1/3 से कैंसिल आउट हो जाएगा. तो यू विल गेट c 32 इज इक्वल टू c स्क्वायर. तो आप लिख सकते हैं c इज इक्वल टू √32. सो √32 को आप क्या लिख सकते हैं, you can write 4√2. C will be 4√2. Hence, which is the correct option? A is the correct option. Thank you.